Rajiv and Sriram have battled their way through 11 episodes to reach the finals of The Pitch Season 2. Let's take you through the various stages of this journey these two gentlemen have gone through, and let's ask them how they feel.
The pitch journey has been very exciting. Once the audition started, it was really tough to select top 10 from the 100 auditions. So I never ever thought in my wildest dreams that I would come so far.
He's got great perseverance, he is very hardworking. So he thinks very different from others. Whatever competition or wherever he goes, I always vote for him. I always think he stands a better chance than anyone else.
Once we enter into a competition, total focus is how best can you be at that point of time. So it doesn't matter whether you got an immunity badge, nothing matters. So the total objective is to be at your personal best.
It's been very, very thrilling. Like each week, we used to sit in front of the TV with our fingers across. So I sincerely hope and win Sriram bags the 5 Pro.
The contestants have been great, the judges have been awesome, and I've made a lot of friends during the whole pitch season 2. So I think it's going to be a very memorable experience for me personally. Rajiv is a brilliant contender when it comes to the pitch. I really wish him all the very best.
The journey through pitch for me has been very exciting. A little bit ups and downs as well at the same time. Of course, elimination part was not pleasant. So when you come down, it gives you a great learning, and at the same time, it gives you a lot of determination to do better. You know, when you are re-entering the space.
Rajiv is a very hardworking and very ambitious person. Whatever the goal he set in the life, he always work on that. From day one, he is working very hard. I'm 100% sure he will win.
So of course, I mean, I've come with the determination that I will try to do my best. Sriram, I would like to wish you very best. You are very competent, you have multiple skills. So as a co-participant, my wishes are with you. Let's both of us put a lot of effort and try to win.
We'll just have to wait and watch who takes home that grand prize of 5 crore rupees 1 week from now. This is your host Rahul Bose signing off. Goodbye.
And now for the Samsung Galaxy Tab 750 contest. What is the version of the digital rights management installed in Samsung Galaxy Tab 750? A. OMA, B. OMA 1.0, C. OMA 2.0. To SMS your answers, type pitch, space, question number, space, ABC and send it to 59995. Or email us at thepitch@bloombergutv.com. One lucky winner who can answer the maximum number of correct answers would stand to win a Samsung Galaxy Tab 750 at the end of the series.